So guys, that's all about Coorg, Zostel and meeting new people. एक लॉन्ग वीकेंड जिस पे मैं कूर्ग गया और एक्सपीरियंस किया Zostel को. It was pretty nice place, like and actually it was one of the best trip I had till now.
Across the sea, somewhere far away.
So we have just crossed Kushal Nagar और guys view देखो क्या मस्त है. So this time I'm taking the Hassan Road because last time Mysore Road से आया था, but अभी जो है it's a day time and there will be huge traffic on different cities on Mysore Road. So wanted to avoid that. Though this route also will take the same time, but you won't feel that pressure while riding your motorcycle. You don't have to shift gears again and again.
We got this bottle of champagne to ourselves.
So guys, if you see here, we are running away from the thunderstorm which is behind us. It's a decent weather today.
Dancing real fast and slow, holding your waist real close. It's our paradise, let's go.
लकीली आज वेदर बहुत अच्छा है, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं हो रही बाइक चलाने में. So guys, I'll end up my vlog right now. It was a good long weekend for me in Coorg because जाना था मुझे एक दिन के लिए, मंडे को वापस आना था, but I stayed there for 2 days. Anyways guys, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो do hit a like, and if you're new to the channel then do subscribe. वो लाल वाला बटन है, प्लीज़ दबा दो यार. और till then, bye bye, take care, see you next time.
Every time they see us, they wishing they be as vision we seen it. Riding Bentleys, rolling right through the Prius, believe it was meant to be.